In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the dot voting widget in Miro's intelligent widgets. Let's dive in and walk you through the steps to set it up and get the most out of this powerful tool for collaborative decision making. First, we'll need to head over to Miro's website. So open up your preferred web browser and type in miro.com. Once there, you'll find the login option located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll be greeted with a login page offering various sign-in options. You can choose to log in using your email or through your Google account if that's easier for you. Simply enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, let's continue by clicking on Continue with Email if you haven't done so already. Upon successfully logging in, you'll see your Miro dashboard with all your boards displayed. Identify the board you want to work with and click on it to open it. Once inside your board, look to the left side for the plus button. This button is your gateway to adding new widgets to your board. Clicking the plus button brings up a search bar. Here simply type dot voting to find the widget. It's a straightforward process, but keep in mind that spelling matters, so make sure to enter it correctly. Once the dot voting widget appears, click on it to add it to your board. You'll now see the option to set the widget on your board. Position it wherever you like, keeping in mind where the rest of your board content is so that everything's neatly organized. After placing the dot voting widget, you can rename it to help participants easily understand what they're voting on. Clear and concise titles are always a good practice. One interesting feature of the dot voting widget is that participants have the freedom to select a dot color of their choice. This personal touch can help differentiate individual votes, which is especially handy in larger teams. Each participant will simply pick their preferred color from the options available. When it's time to cast votes, participants will drag their chosen color dot onto the item or topic they've decided to vote for. This interactive aspect makes the voting process intuitive and engaging. It's a great way to visually represent opinions and preferences within a group. In summary, using the dot voting widget in Miro can enhance your team's decision-making process by providing an easy-to-understand visual voting method. From logging in, setting up your widget, to facilitating participation, each step is designed to make your collaborative efforts more effective. Now you've got a handle on how to utilize this widget, your meetings and workshops can benefit from more streamlined voting. Thanks for following along, and happy voting.